Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Another day, another backtest video. It is New Year's Day. Happy New Year's, everybody, 2025. I believe the markets are going to be absolutely beautiful with everything going on. So I'm super excited for the new year. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. Hope you guys all had a fantastic New Year's Eve. And hopefully you guys have a good New Year's. Everyone was safe. Anyways, I'm jumping right into this video because we're going to do this. We're just going to jump right into it. So we are on the last week of March, so starting on March 23rd, we do have some news, but nothing that will affect us in our trading hour. So looking at the daily time frame, I'm clearly bullish, or we're clearly bearish. Do have previous day high here. I do think that we're just going to be trading between either the 1 hour or the 4 hour on this, because obviously the just looks, yeah, you guys can kind of get the gist. We do have this gap here that we're traded into. We've also traded into this breaker block here. So, and we're rejecting very nicely, so I'm going to mark that out. 4 hour breaker block. And so, I do think we're going to be bearish for sure. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, retracement, keep going lower. So, I am definitely going to be bearish. Hourly time frame. Ooh, did we tap that? We did not. Ooh, that's... Oh, but we are respecting this hourly fair value gap extremely well. So that is perfect. Okay, so we're respecting that. Nice low resistant liquidity lower, which is also probably session liquidity down there. Yeah, we got London low, we got Asia low. If we can get like a retracement to like a 15 gap, and then or even a sweep of the high, and then trade lower, I'd be more than happy to get in for a possible short. Sweeping out this high here. Technically sweeping out this high as well. No SMT. No SMT. Oh, wait. No SMT at all. And we're trading into a 15 gap right now. So I'd like to see what market open does and go from there. I do think we're going to be going short. But I'd like to see what happens here. I'd like to see us get a pull up. Let's retrace into this 15-minute gap. Okay, so we're inside a 15-minute gap now. And we do have a 15-minute structure shift too. I'm gonna look for a 1-minute entry. Nice little SMT here. I almost want to try this, but I don't like that SMT. Or I don't like this 4-minute. There is a 5-minute. Yeah, okay. So good thing I didn't take that. I was waiting for that 5-minute. 5-minute gets tapped, and then we're trading higher. We are in a 15 still. I honestly am still bearish, so I want to see shorts here. We are coming now to rebalance the 15 on ES as well, so we could just be wanting to go a little higher. I'm going to wait for a clean SMT with a nice structure shift still. Or, yeah, with a nice inverse fair value gap. Okay, well, we got an SMT here. to a really nice 2-minute. 3-minute below. 4-minute below. And about to open a 5-minute. We aren't even at EQ of this range though. Well, that did something. A 5-minute change of state delivery right here. We have this 4-minute inverse fair value gap right there. I don't think I like this one. Still have this SMT. We do. So we do have an internal SMT. I just don't think I like the 4-minute there. It's just not really pretty. Not really looking too clean. Yeah, we'll give it a try. Well, what happened there? We'll give it a try. Why not? I don't think it hurts. Worst comes to worst, it gets stopped out, and yeah, I'm gonna give this a try. So let's just go ahead, place our order. So let's take a look at the higher time frames. Go down from top to bottom. Make sure we're getting this all correct. So higher time frame, we're in this gap, traded up. Looks like we want to trade lower. We have some low resistant liquidity below, and also with this gap here, pretty much just about OT. Not quite OT, unfortunately, but that looks clean. I'm happy with that. Rejecting this 1 hour fair value gap here really nicely. Rejecting this 1 hour. And then looks like we want to trade a little lower in my opinion. 15-minute time frame. Rejecting this 15. Respecting it, trading lower. We also are respecting 15-minute fair value gap as well as 15-minute. Or I guess not, but we swept this liquidity here. We have London low, Asia low, low resistant liquidity resting below. Here's an unfilled 15 if you really want to count that. We do have equal lows as well down below, so we do have all of that. If I go down to the 5-minute, we do have a 5-minute fair value gap right here, which is the only concern that I have. So that's like my only big concern, but I feel like we'll push through that with this momentum here, especially because we just took out this high in that 15-minute fair value gap, left behind a small 1-minute SMT, and then push through this 4-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I don't know. Overall, it's a decent setup. The only thing I don't like is we don't really have a full, clean external liquidity sweep. Like, the only external liquidity sweep we have is this guy here, right? We swept this liquidity, which is with a swept out this high right here, which is a 1 hour fair value gap, trading lower. That's the only thing I don't like, is that we don't have a clean external draw. I'm still gonna give it a try just to give it a go, like see how it goes. But that's probably the only thing I don't like, is we don't really have a clean draw, or we don't have a clean sweep. But we do, like, the draw on liquidity does seem to be lower in my opinion. I do think it is. So we have external 15-minute liquid sweep in a 1 hour Ifvg being respected. Respecting a 15-minute fair value gap 1 minute SMT, 4 minute small Ifvg with unfilled 15 below equal low below LRL below session liquid below. Like, that's why. Look at all this stuff that we got below that we can take out, right? We have a lot of liquidity that we can take out. So, my confidence is probably about a 65 on this guy. Like, I'm not going to say, and that's, I'll give it a 4. We don't have we have an external liquidity sweep. We have internal SMT, higher time frame PD array, unfilled gap. We have equal lows and fair value gap. And what's the time right now? We are not in macro time, are we? No. So, I don't know. We'll see how she goes. Yeah, we're holding this 5 minute. We are holding this 5 minute for dear life. We got to break it. Boom. DP1 hit. Take off some position. Move stop to break even. And full take profit gets hit. Let's go, boys. Let's see if London low, Asia low is the target. Let's see if let's see how fast we run out this LRL here. If we do. Oh, wow. No way. Wow, that's crazy. I thought for sure. That's crazy. That's crazy that we just left all this. Wow. Crazy. I mean, we took most of it out on there, but that's still crazy that we took it all out. Good trade. Good way to start a Monday. Let's jump to the next trade, which will be Tuesday. Tuesday we got PMI as well. Trump speaking again, so just got to make sure that we're playing the cards nicely on this day. We got Tuesday. We'll go to the daily time frame. So looking at here, I'm still bearish in a sense, just because we haven't made any clean structure shifts to the upside on the 4 hour or on the daily. Previous day low. And then we also got previous day high, which has been taken. Is there an SMT at previous day high? There is a SMT at previous day high. So that's really nice. I like that. Come on down to the 4 hour time frame. SMT with this high. We're not really in anything, but this is looking really nice for shorts already. In OTE of the range too. We don't have any fair value gaps. We are in a breaker block though. Come down to an hourly time frame. Are we in any fair value gaps? Are we respecting any fair value gaps? We're not, but we're in an hourly OB, but I still don't like that. I will mark the hourly OB out though. I just like shorts because of this SMT. Swept out London low already, dang. Okay, and then we got an SMT here. We have lots of low resistant liquidity just resting below us too. Look at all this. That's insane. I am gonna definitely expect price take out all of this. That's insane. Okay, so we're on the hourly. Obviously, we are, in my opinion, bearish for now. Got an unfilled 15 here. And then we do have an SMT here now as well. I'm honestly looking. I want to see, like, if I could just get a small internal SMT like right now. I should probably wait for Yeah, I should probably wait for price to do a little bit of a thing first. Whoa. Okay. Dawson. Stop touching. Okay. So we took out previous day high. We still have SMT with previous day high, so I'm happy with that. We aren't really trading into anything. We're still respecting the 1 hour OB essentially, which is 4 hour breaker block. No 4 hour, but do we have like a 15-minute fair value gap over here? We do. Okay, so we're in a 15-minute fair value gap. Beautiful. Okay. So we got an unfilled 15. We're in a 15. I'm honestly like, I'll take a short right away actually. If we can get like, if we can get a trade back up maybe. And get an SMT at some point here, I will take a short. Do have SMT here. I feel like this is actually a fairly clean setup. Coming off of 15, got a 15-minute below, sweeping out the high here, go down to a 5-minute time frame. We don't really have too much, but we do have a little change of state delivery on the 5-minute there. Coming back up to retrace into the equilibrium point of the range. Come down to this. Same thing here, come down to this, same thing here. But if we come down lower time frame, let's see if we can get anything. There is little SMT here. I'm gonna drop down to the 1 minute quickly so we can look at that. Yeah, right here is SMT. I'm gonna take this. We're also rejecting a 1 hour fair value gap, or 1 minute fair value gap here. Nice ICT 2022 model. Change of state and delivery to the downside here with this 1 minute inverse fair value gap. Make sure there's no 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. No, we already pushed through that, so we don't have that 5 minute there. That 5 minute doesn't count. We already pushed through. 4 minute we didn't, but the 5 minute we did, so I'm counting the 5 minute. We have that 15-minute below. I'm gonna give this a try. It's not A+, but it's still, I can still see it working. It's not like extremely clean, but it's, I don't know, I can see it working with all this low resistant liquidity below and everything. Oh, actually I want to check something quickly here. I never marked out London, Asia, New York. Oh, I did, yeah. Okay, so Asia low, New York. I mean, this is the reversal I'd want to catch, and if we don't get the reversal, then obviously I'm wrong, and that's fine. What time is this at? It's in macro time, too. Might even move stop to break even at the unfilled 15. I have a good feeling that unfilled is going to get hit. Previous day high SMT in a 15-minute Ifvg being respected. Respecting 1 hour OB. OB unfilled 15 below. Small 1 minute SMT, 1 minute Ifvg entry, LRL below. Do we have equalos? Not really. I'm gonna give this guy a try. I think it looks clean. I think if this is gonna be the reversal right now will be it. And yeah, give this guy, I don't know, 60. I'll give a little bit more confidence, 68% of that. We got external SMT, internal SMT, hard time for PD rate. We do have unfilled, no equalos, Ifvg entry. Yeah, only way I can see this trade failing is if we're just wrong on the bias. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. No. Yeah, so that was the big thing. We tapped the 15-minute fair value gap here, and then just traded straight away from that. And that was kind of what I was thinking. That's why I was like, oh, maybe I should move stop to break even at 1-to-1, or sorry, at the unfilled 15, which would have saved me there. But overall, I'm not gonna complain. I would have taken that trade 9 times out of 10. See if the draw is even lower at all, if we just keep going higher. Yeah, whatever. Alright, so another day. Taking a loss. 1 win, 1 loss. Let's go to the next day, which is March 25th, which is orange folder. And it doesn't look like our trade would have worked out anyways. So, looks like we were just, or maybe it did. Where are we? No. So trade never actually even would have worked out. Would have been, I got my bias wrong. Not a big deal. Keep an eye on this. So honestly, I'm going to be completely real. I'm bearish still. And the reason why I'm bearish is because we have not changed state and delivery over this candle. Once we change state and delivery over this candle, I'm going to switch my bias. But that's a high we just took out. So we've taken out previous day high. I think previous day low will be the next draw on liquidity, as well as this order block, but it's not really considered an order block because we haven't taken the wick out quite yet. Dropping down to our 4-hour time frame, we have so much low resistant liquidity, it's unbelievable. As well, we have an SMT here. So SMT, same thing as yesterday. I still think that we're going to want to go lower. And we have a lot of LRL. We do have an unfilled 4-hour fair value gap as well down here. Come down to an hourly time frame, change the state and delivery on the hourly, tapping into an hourly fair value gap right here with an SMT. This literally is a 1-hour ICT 2022 model. Let's get our sessions out. We got London low being taken. We do have London high, which has not been taken, but we do have Asia low. And if you think about it, Asia low accumulation, manipulation in London, distribution in New York session. So that's probably what's going on right now. Yeah, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So we should be seeing these Asia lows be taken for sure. Definitely a draw on liquidity. We obviously got this draw down here, this draw down here. We got lots of draws. We got lots of liquidity being swept, lots of liquidity ready to be taken. I'm going to stick with my bearish bias. I think bears are in order and in play here. Yeah, I'm going to stick with bearish bias for now until I get proven wrong pretty much. Okay, 15 minutes telling me almost the same thing, other than the fact that we aren't in equilibrium of the hourly range. I'm going to mark that out though. Cat. And then drop down here. Not really much. Okay. Okie dokie. We get OTE. Okay, we're at OTE now, so if we respect this and then give us an SMT, I'm gonna go for a short. Oh my god, that actually sucks so much. That was beautiful. A little SMT here. Little itty bitty SMT here. And then would that have been 1 minute? We got a 2 minute here, which could have entered there. No 3 minute. No 4 minute. No 5. Dang, that sucks. I jumped the gun way too quick there. Itty bitty 2 minute, but would have been a nicer 1 minute. Enter on this. Boom. Ran out all my TPs. The trade of the day, folks, but I'm still open for a trade, but I'm not taking longs. I'm gonna want to see a retracement. Maybe up to the 5 minute fair value gap here in order for me to take a trade. Dang, what a V-shaped recovery. Now we just tapped Asia lows. Still not open to shorts. We're still not open to longs. Tapping the 15. Last thing I want to do though is go chasing a move, right? Still think we're bearish. We didn't really tap Asia low either. Like, did we really take Asia low? Barely. Didn't really. We have more liquidity to take out on the downside. Okay, 15 minutes being respected. There's no SMT here, so this is gonna go. Damn, why do you guys gotta be so in sync? It's about to run. I bet you money it's gonna go. Why do you guys gotta be so in sync? I would have lost money anyways. Look at all that low resistance liquidity. This is gonna tank at some point. It has to. No way it's just gonna keep all this LRI. No way all this sell side liquidity is just gonna sit there. That's insane. Wow. Alright, well I missed the trade. It was a nice trade there, but obviously I didn't take that, which is fine. It wasn't really that nice. It was just a really V-shaped recovery trade. It was right. Bias was right. Everything was pretty right. I don't know. I didn't really like it. So no trade on Wednesday. Thursday we do have news. Unemployment claims at 5:30, which I believe is 6:30 here with the daylight savings. So I don't know. I'm still bearish, but the fact that we left behind this bullish fair value gap is kind of changing my mind a bit. And the way we're trading now, we'll see. And then now okay. I don't know. Pretty bullish already. I'm pretty bullish on this. Pretty bullish on this. Previous day high looks like a clean draw in liquidity. Yeah, that looks like a really clean draw in liquidity. Watch, get like a Okay, we pushed through here. We got this OB wick, 1 hour OB wick. Already taken a lot of liquidity out. We are in a We are in a 1 hour fair value gap. And we have already taken out session liquidity. So we've taken out both sides of the market here. Honestly, I'd like to just see a retracement. As much as I'd like, I don't know, shorts could work. Shorts could work. We're respecting OTE pretty nicely. I'm gonna maybe look for a short here. I do not know what to do. I thought we would maybe do something like that, but we didn't do something like that. We're not respecting 1 hour OTE almost no more. So what does that mean? It means we might not be bearish, it might just be bullish, and we're way too high in the range for me to take a long. Yeah, we're just making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Before I take any trade, I need a very clean SMT. Sort of like this one. Nice. 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 I don't know if that's the candle. Okay, that's the candle there. Okay, I need to go over everything quickly to make sure that if I'm going to take this trade, I need to take it nicely. Okay, so we have SMT at previous day low, which is what's kind of throwing me off. As well, we are in a daily fair value gap. So the higher time frame is telling us we are bullish. Going down to a 4 hour time frame, honestly bullish. Change state delivery right here. Gonna leave behind this 4 hour fair value gap. We do have previous day high really below. So like, I don't know. This is almost like a suicide short. We're way past hourly or the 4 hour OTE. Way past it. Go down to an hourly time frame. We disrespected the. I'm not taking this. Absolutely not. I'm not taking this. We're gonna reach for previous day high. I thought maybe we were holding that 4 hour or that hourly fair value gap, but we're not. If this works, great, but We're not in any higher time frame confirmation. I won't take this. I'm gonna look. I'm not gonna take it, but I'll forward test it. Kind of just consolidation. Would have been a TP1 stop at break even, most likely. Yeah, and we're done trade. There's no trade for Thursday. So Thursday bias was sort of right. I think previous day high is the draw. Probably SMT with it. I think it's the draw. I want to see it get hit. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go. Okay, so previous day high gets hit. There's the draw on liquidity getting smacked. Anyways, let's just jump right into Friday. Yeah, look at that. Previous day high gets hit and start trading lower. Nice. Okay. Go to the March 27th. We got President Trump speaking, but we're chilling because it's not going to affect us. I am now bullish because we have now. I'm bullish now. We have now traded above, and we have a change of state of delivery on the daily time frame. So I am now bullish. 4-hour time frame. We do have an SMT at the. No, we do not have an SMT at the high. Lovely. Do have this 4-hour fair value gap in discount. Like to see us probably just trade to that. Long up to these highs. Boom. Bob's your uncle. Are these equal highs too? Not really, no. We also have this 4-hour we're trading in, so we could just see a retracement from that. But I'd like to see it retrace deeper into the premium. What do you know? We got some LRL here. Nice low resistant liquidity. LRL. We like LRL. Not much on the hourly. Got London high, Asia high, daddy high, body ba, zabada. I don't know what I'm saying. London high, my neck hurts because I'm. Anyways, swept out liquidity here. Swept out this hourly low. Whoops. 15-minute. Got some nice 15-minute LRL here. Got a really nice SMT at the low. Dude, longs look so clean right now. If it just runs off without me, I'm gonna cry. Personally, what I need to see is... Oh, we got another SMT. Oh, dude, there's nothing to really long off of, is there? No, there isn't. That sucks. Please retrace. Please retrace. Please retrace. Please retrace. Oh. Unfortunately, I can't. Can I? I gotta wait for a 1-minute SMT. This might run off without me. Okay, we have a SMT here. I might take this 5 minute if we get it. Yeah, I'm gonna try this 5 minute. This looks really clean, actually. SMT would be at the low there, so that's where your stop would want to be. And then TP, obviously, we're not going to aim for all the highs, but this looks super clean, actually. All right, let's go over. So we have daily change in state delivery, delivering from daily fair value gap, traded back into 4-hour fair value gap, sweeping 1 hour sell side liquidity, London high, Asia high above, LRL above. I want to make sure that this can see the little 1 minute SMT here. I'm gonna do that just so it can see that there's a little tiny guy, a little tiny SMT. Little tiny one. Unless it comes to come back down, take out the low. Yeah, that's the only thing I can think about is it comes down, takes the low out, and then wants to go up higher. But I just want to make sure that this is all in line. Let's took out that low, which is into a 5 minute fair value gap. Even better. Even better. Yeah, so I'm just going to take a screenshot of this quickly. 5 minute Ifvg entry, small 1 minute SMT, and then a 15. There's no unfilled. No, there's literally nothing above. Fuck. I think that's it. I think that's really it. My confidence is pretty high on this trade. I think this is gonna. I think it's gonna hit external liquidity sweep. Internal and higher time for PD array, unfilled fair value gaps. No, we do. I'm just gonna do equal highs for. Did I do a photo? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I think this will hit. This looks fairly clean. Got 1-to-1 here. Yeah, if we take these highs out here, these equal highs, and then start hesitating, I'll move stop to break even, but I swear. We're gonna be so sad. I'm gonna be so sad if this does this to me. Bro, it's hanging on literally by a thread. Really crappy price action. Bro. Oh. had the thought in my head to do it just to protect me. I had the thought to do it, and it would have protected me. Oh, that hurts. That's okay. It is what it is. You'll learn. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that though, because that needs to be shown. Damn, that's a bummer. Oh well, that's okay. It is what it is. Pretty much a break-even week. I think we're down $100, not even. Yeah, we're down like less than $100. We're down $80. So, break-even week. No complaints about that. 1 win, 2 losses. It's a pretty good week, I'd say, so far. I mean, unfortunately, that could have been 2 wins, 2 full TPs. But, yeah, that's a bummer, but it is what it is. Anyways, guys, if you guys like these videos, hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. Comment down below what you guys would potentially like to see in the future. Any new video ideas in the 2025. Just going to be focusing mainly on the trade recaps and these videos, just so I'm just keeping up to date with videos to give you guys. But yeah, if there's anything in mind that you guys like, let me know in the comments below. This is a 1.65% month. Super slow month, especially going from a 12% month to basically 2% and then to another 2%. Like, I don't know what happened in January, but it was really nice performance, and that's what I'm hoping we get this January coming up. I'm hoping that's what we can get, so that we can get some good trades in and actually get some good profits. But anyways, we're 3 months in, finally finished the 3rd month of 2020, and we're going to be moving on to April for the next video. So stay tuned for those videos. If you guys want to continue watching those, subscribe, continue following along. I'll be posting these as much as I possibly can. And if you guys want to join my Discord, link will be in the description. I will be live trading when I have enough active members in that Discord. Still fairly new, so trying to just grow and build a community. Looking to potentially live trade on YouTube as well, so if you guys want to do that, stay tuned for that. That'll be at 6:30 a.m. PST, Pacific Standard Time, or 9:30 I believe it is, Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys want to tune in for that, feel free. And if you wanted to get 15% off of your FX replay, use code DDFX. That's DDFX, 15% off FX replay. Anyways, guys, that's all for me, and I hope you guys had a great New Year's, and let's crush it this year. Cheers.